Some cooks prefer the power and control of gas, and there are new technologies that take it even a step further. Gas cooktops is the raw, natural way to cook on an open flame, but there are some cool, I would say rather hot technologies when it comes to electric and induction cooking. Electric cooktops use an electric heating element. This is actually part of the evolution from the metal hot plate to the smooth glass cooktops we have today, which are much easier to clean. Induction is a trend with European chefs and has become quite a hit in kitchens for many reasons. Induction gives you the power and responsiveness of gas with the cleanability of electric, along with several convenience and safety features.